Smallholder farmers in Africa, especially in Ghana, are disconnected from the relevant resources that they need to become prosperous and successful at the work that they do. So at Farmerline, our mission is to create lasting profits for farmers everywhere. And we do this by using a combination of digital tools and the presence of our field agents to support farmers at the last mile by providing relevant resources to them. Farmers within our network are given in-person trainings by our field agents on best farming practices and business information that will transform their farm business. These lessons are also reinforced in voice messages in the local languages of the farmers. Opieni bia enye se we opieni keke we ojumara wan kasa na ukita we juma e wo se wo hweso yi nti ye hwe ane ma ya nkasa ye kan no e twe se ye e wo se ye planning pa.
Free last year, ye dey ho bedom mo a moni ye saa nchechire mu no ye mfasodie bi afunu bi sama be kokoo no se na nankesi tie no enama etimi asesa ama me mahu se mfaso a menye free mo ho nti tambia wo se ye ne mu edi enhyiamudie na de ye nim no mo be koso wa kyerɛkyerɛ yen ama bibia nso aye den aye ama yen
ama komanim bitimi aka se efuo ba kono na mete bag miensa no na mitwitwe mo ye bibia na itimi ma me mag nso afi baako
tie no me fa nse na mete be se 2 bags ya se se menya ekọ be se 4 bags nti mehu se nkyerɛkyerɛ na mode maaye no ya fa adiso ama yen so yenya ho mfasodie ewum.
Farmers in our network receive location-specific weather updates, which helps them to plan their farm activities and help them to overcome challenges of climate change.
Weather forecast na Farmerline ede maaye no obi biara eda no otwuro ni din na afei omo ehya ase ede boaye no ede maaye no eboa obi a no woka ho asem fi se ebia de kye oya ho boa se ukwa kogu onya ado afuo bi so omo ka che se ne nsuo beto eti hwe no ankwa ankogu so eda no anso brown be hye no anso nsuo ni timeto ti ukogu ya mfa se wase wusika ode to ado no ede kokogu ya no.
We also operate an efficient and robust distribution system which takes into account over 200 field agents, warehouses, trucks, motorcycles, and other input shops. And this ensures that we are able to directly deliver to the farmers at their doorstep without any extra charges. Over the years, research has shown that smallholder farmers have limited access to financial support. And with our input credit scheme, we provide farmers with the inputs that they need at the particular time and with flexible payment schedules.
No busnia so mode mayen ama se so yetimi atua busnia no awie fi se yedigu kokoko so ehu mfasodi a ewo mu. Scanner na me de kototua eka atwanse ne se ama emu ada kwan amame a bitimi ye ne kakra ntie no me ka se mu ame ana me bo aboa me bibiri.
At Farmerline, all our field activities are supported by technology, right from data collection by the field agents on farmers to give us insights about the farmers we are working with, to provision of input credits where we understand the creditworthiness of the farmers that we serve. We believe that when smallholder farmers are empowered with the right resources and tools, they can become instrumental in addressing food insecurity, sustainability issues, whilst generating prosperity for the continent.
Because se ekuafo a mon fam ho medom Farmerline ekuo no be se mu nyina mo ba bedwen saa Farmerline ekuo no ama bibia nso akoso amayen
be ka kire ekuafo nyina kro bia omo beba so no monye omo awa wetu na omo nkyerɛkyerɛ no monyintum na omo nuo no nso monto emfenye muku adwuma no na ebeboa mo ama mo akomo anim wo abrabom.
Farmerline, ekuafo life.